I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about this. It's pressed, you see?
This is the one, that example, madam. This is A with the headrest, high back with the wheels. So A and B, short one, same of this one, right? So this is B with the wheels, and then C without wheels. So A, B, C. Now in the agreement, man, because I need to mention this one, the model number. So in the packaging they change because they are becoming with the wheels like this. Ay sir, good news, already coming your cinema chair. So you need to pay the balance, sir, before we releasing and fixing your cinema chair, sir, in your place. So please let me know when you want to fixing and when you come to pay the balance, sir. Thank you very much.
Subscribe! Sana all! Subscribe!
You see, this is 91,000 for delivery and fixing for tomorrow. This one is going to Abu Dhabi, and this one, see, too much. So how come this one? Yes bro, this is coming like this, huh? Okay, like this. So 3 option, down one, okay, and this one is the drawer, huh? Okay, see, this one is for the drawer. Check this one properly, okay? This is the delivery note, and this is your original. It's already attached, okay? So please, when they come, just collect the original invoice, okay? Thank you.
Subscribe! Sana all! Subscribe!
Boss, this is the model number, okay? 1.6 size. Tomorrow we will make order for you, okay? So please pick up for tomorrow and bring the cash 1,500, okay? Thank you. Yes, this one, and then this your senior driver. Okay, now, no problem. This is the one to take picture. I don't know, this guy is, he did not ask me if he want to take picture. But this is the original one. Don't worry, it's already collected, okay? The model number. Your writing, okay? And your driver sign.
Lalabas. Ayan na.
Sana all!